That's the switch for it. It's dark outside, so light's gonna stay on. That pull chain is hard. Oh yeah, if anyone's interested, gear clock. Right there. Yeah, bird keychains, or no, pull chains I meant. It's got a bunch of spider webs all over it. Does blow a lot of air. I'm gonna turn this off because there's a winter storm outside. There you go. Now that's off. Yeah. After 2 years, nothing really much has changed. Although this bird has been replaced because there was originally just this. But yeah, this fan works. Just like a show for the light freaks. That's a light there. The switch for it. Can't do the fans downstairs. Family's down there, but if anyone's wondering what's downstairs, there's 2 hunter colonials downstairs. Had a video of them on my old channel, but they recently got deleted. And back there is a winter wonderland, as you guys can see. See, there's downstairs. But yeah, this is the office. Hope you guys enjoyed.